this is Wendy, your Pampered Chef consultant, and I am making some fig jam in the heated blender. I put a pound of figs in. The blender is currently heating up. It will get up to 220 degrees. I'm gonna try and get that, there we go. I have it on the jam setting. And so it will be cooking those figs while it is blending them. And this process will take about 20 to 25 minutes. I have 1 pouch of liquid pectin in there as well. So all I have in there is a 1/4 cup of water, a pound of figs from my mother-in-law's house, and pectin. Partway through this cycle, about 20 to 25 minutes, it's going to say add across there. I will show you when that happens. And that's when the sugar will get added. So I'll add the sugar at that time. And so for now, we're gonna just let this do its thing. The sugar has been added, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice that acts as a preservative. And you can see the steam coming off of here. It is definitely hot. And we are still on the jam setting. And there is the finished fig jam. You can see it's still boiling in there. I can see those bubbles popping. So it's going to cool a little bit, and then I am going to can it.